I got corn dog all over my face.
Uh-oh. Yep. Is this a good sign?
We out here at LST. Let's go!
What's up, Giant family? We're here at Lone Star Throwdown 2022 at the Expo Center here in Conroe, Texas, and we're gonna take a look around and see what kind of beast builds we got out here. It's kind of cold, honestly, so we'll see, but you already know we got the Segway out because we're not trying to do some exercises out here walking all over the place. Let's see what we got going on out here. I already see SMG, whole bunch of builds with them, Renegade. We got a whole bunch of people out here. Hater Made. Let's go ahead and start rolling around. Gorilla is also here in our booth for Skynet as well. This is a freaking beast build, a beast build owner also, and he's tall as hell. So if you don't already follow him, go ahead and smash that follow button on this build also. Like I said, 5.0 Gorilla, and it's going to be tagged right here also. Take a look at this build right here and tell us what you think. This is Rilla. And as you can see, everybody's got their effing fast plate cover also. And like we're always repping them on the Iron Giant build also, you too can get your effing fast plate cover made custom. All you have to do is go ahead and send them a DM and get that process started so you can slap on a plate cover also. Your build definitely needs a plate cover, just like everybody here has one. I'm pretty sure you have to get one also. And then we also have another build in our booth here, and a lot of you guys know them as Frosty or 5.3 Frosty. I'll tag them here so you can go ahead and smash that follow button. And they're running a whole bunch of different things on their build. There's a bunch of stuff, versatile. They work with a bunch of different companies, so shoot them a message, tell them if you like their build. They're awesome to hang out with and to meet and to get to know. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that follow button.
Like 2.5 inches, 3 inches of snow, Kansas school. They put it up to like 4.5 inches now.
Oh, y'all are all in there.
Yeah, they're all in there.
It's warm.
Jeez. The second row heats too, so they're back there with the heated seats.
Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome to the inside scoop of the Skynet booth. and we've got a bunch of merch here. Everything from hats to flags to, I mean, a bunch of gear. Tank tops, everything, beanies. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button on this video, and comment down below if you were here at LST for 2022 and what your favorite build was. Obviously the Iron Giant wasn't in it this year, but next year and for a bunch of different shows coming up here soon, it will be on display for sure. You guys are gonna be able to see it finally in person if you've only seen us on Instagram and YouTube. But if you haven't already, go ahead and check us out on Instagram, iron_giant with 2 T's. Don't forget the extra T. It's gonna be dropped down right there for you. And I hope you like the video. All this gear here is on the website, www.dskynetteam.com. You can go on there, check it out. Hats, flags, I mean a bunch of stuff, and you can take a look at it here. We got a bunch of different colors of different shirts.
What it is, Giant fan?
It's like, oh, this is the dirty side, bro.
Yeah, that's the dirty side, bro. Oh, there he is. Oh, that's the dirty side, bro.
I'm shaking, it's because I'm cold, because it's like -20 degrees in Texas, because Texas is pretty bipolar. So, but what's new, you know? hope you guys have a great week. Try to define greatness. Try to define greatness just a little bit today or this week or this month. Try to do something to get you closer to that goal that you've had. Now is your time, and you can go ahead and get it done or get one step closer to getting it done also.